In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bio to your Gumroad profile. If you sell products or share content on Gumroad, your profile bio is a simple but important way to introduce yourself to potential customers. It helps people understand who you are, what you create, and what they can expect from your page. A clear bio can make your profile feel more complete and professional, so let's walk through how to update it. To get started, log into your Gumroad account and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. From there, click on Profile. This will take you to the area where you can manage the public information that appears on your Gumroad profile. Once you're on the profile page, look for the Bio or Description field. This is the section where you can enter the text that will appear on your public profile. Click into that field and type your profile description. When writing your bio, keep it clear and relevant to what you offer. You might want to briefly describe what kind of products you create, who they're for, or what makes your work unique. Try to keep the wording easy to read and focused, since this is often one of the first things visitors will notice. A short, thoughtful description usually works better than something overly long or complicated. If you already have text in the bio field, you can simply edit it instead of starting from scratch. This is helpful if you want to refresh your profile over time as your brand, products, or audience evolve. It's a good idea to quickly read through your bio before saving to check for spelling, and clarity. After you've entered your bio, the final step is to click Update Profile. This saves your changes and applies the new description to your Gumroad profile. Once that's done, your updated bio should now be part of your public profile. If you want, you can review your profile afterward to make sure everything looks the way you intended. That way, you can confirm the text is displaying properly and reflects how you want to present yourself to visitors. And that's all it takes to add a bio to your Gumroad profile. It's a quick update, but it can make a big difference in helping your audience connect with your page and understand your work.